So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is container with most water, in which we are given an array known as heights, and in which every height, that is every element of the array, indicates height of a bar, and we need to calculate the maximum amount of area that we can store between any two bars. So let's understand this with the help of a demonstration. As you can see that in this example, we are given a heights array. So like 1 indicates height of bar 1, 8 indicates height of bar 8, and 6 indicates height of bar 6, and so on. And we need to calculate the maximum rectangular area we can get. So let's see how we can approach this. We can approach this using the two pointer approach. So we will take two pointers and set the left pointer to the first position, that is 0, and the right pointer to the last. Now, in the basic two-pointer approach, while I is less than or equals to j, we will consider both height of I and height of j. And we will take the smaller height among the two. Now we will calculate the area considering j minus I, that is the subtraction between the pointers, as our length, and height of the smaller one as our height. So rectangular area is length into height. So we got the area. Now if the area is greater than the answer, we will initialize starting answer as 0 or something. Now if the area is greater than the answer, we will update the answer, and we will increment or decrement depending upon it is the right pointer or the left pointer. So if it is the right pointer, we will decrement it, that is decrement j, or if it is the left pointer involved, we will increment I. So this was the approach. Let's see the code and the dry run. So code is very simple as to the algorithm. While I is less than j, we are calculating height of I and height of j. So if height of j is smaller, we are considering height as height of j in the area expression and decrementing j. Else case, we are considering height of I and incrementing I. So yeah, in this way, we will be able to get the maximum area available. So what's the time complexity and the space complexity? Time complexity is O of n, as we are looping through the whole array, and space complexity is O of 1. So yeah guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.